everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here with a quick unboxing. I'm gonna be really quickly. For one, I'm not supposed to be making videos right now because I'm supposed to be on my staycation, taking some time off from work. And yes, this is work. Although I love it, it's still work. And my neighbor started doing some construction, so I have to keep this quick because I found a nice little period where he's quiet. So let's see how long this lasts. But yes, I recently purchased my first Brandon Blackwood. I love his design, so I'm sure I'll be buying another one at some point. But I think I'm good on bags for the year. Yeah, you guys saw my Telfar unboxing video. I have 3 of Telfar's vegan leather mini shopping bags, and now I have an End Systemic Racism bag, and it is the aqua blue python. It's real python, so no, this is not vegan. If you guys want vegan bags, he has other bags. Of course, he has denim bags. He has a lot of bags. He has a lot more variety than Telfar, for instance. But Telfar, all their bags are vegan leather, FYI. But this is not a vegan one, but it is gorgeous. I just love this color. I'm not vegan. I do tend to eat mostly plant-based, but I'm not a vegan. Vegan is a really strong word. I don't subscribe to veganism personally. Nothing against it, but it's just not my lifestyle. But I just love this little bag. Oh, I have my things inside right now because I actually wore it today, which is what reminded me to make this video. It came with the strap, and what I like about this bag over the Telfar bags is that these straps are detachable. So today I just wore it with the straps inside so I could just be cute holding my little bag. But of course, wearing it on the straps is a great option as well. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look in case you're interested in this bag in particular and you want to see it up close. It's really soft, but it's still rough at the same time. Like if you go with the grain, it's really soft, but if you go against the grain, it's rough. And is it gonna focus? Yes, as you can see, the accents of the bag is gold. And Systemic Racism is in gold, as well as the little accents of the bag. Yeah, magnetic clip, always convenient, and I love that it has the little golden feet on the bottom. And that's pretty much it. My battery is dying and I hear my neighbor is about to start back up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back from my hiatus, my little vacation, really soon. My store will restock on May 15th, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.KeishaCharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.